Let's set up another color-themed activity bin featuring the color white. I noticed having multiple bins set up throughout the day has really invited my 2-year-old to play. And as always, my 4-year-old is allowed to join in, which is pretty great because they're able to work together as a team, and he's able to teach her the names of these colors as well. Before we start, my 4-year-old and I go around the entire house and find anything that we can that's white. He actually brought out his Linky Box toys and actually shared with his sister. During our coloring time, it was actually interesting to watch because they were trying to figure out why the white crayon wasn't going on the white paper. It's really nice having a lot of activities that they can play with. Of course, everything needs to be baby friendly just in case my little one decides to get with something small. We do go back and forth from these activities throughout the day just because my 4-year-old does have to continue with his homeschooling lessons even though his 2-year-old baby sister is doing hers. These activity bins have honestly been amazing for teaching my 2-year-old her colors, and it's something I would definitely recommend for all the moms out there.